Hey there, welcome to 621 Main Street in Bowdoin, Maine. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch sits about 15 minutes from Lewiston and about 20 minutes from Augusta. Very close to I-95. It sits on 2 acres of land with a huge backyard and a really nice front yard fenced in for pets or small children. Right off of the driveway is a beautiful new shed. Anyway, let's go check this place out. All of the appliances in the kitchen are high-end, including a refrigerator where you knock on the front and it turns on the light. It's pretty cool.